Good morning, everyone. Court will resume with the June 22nd, 2022 docket. And I have Mr. Carlos Garza, and he needs to unmute. There you are. Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Garza. I believe you're on CL 21-28-18D Jose Salas versus Mario Arredondo Jr., right, sir?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. Mr. is here with me.
Okay.
We're outside the courtroom. Judge, we're scheduled for a default hearing and asking for a reset. So I should prepare a couple of affidavits that I haven't done, so I'm going to need to.
Okay, we'll take no action today and just submit a new order setting hearing date.
Very good, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you very much. That's all I have.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Miss Patty Love, number 5 and 6.
5 and 6, Patty Love. All right, Miss Love, can you hear me? Miss Patty Love, can you hear me? Maybe Richard call.
Judge, and I did receive a call here about 5 minutes ago that Ms. Love had already e-filed the extension and they provided an envelope number on that.
She filed Rule 11.
An extension on the TRO, sir.
Extension on TRO. Okay. She's on.
Let me call her office, Judge. Let me call her. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. Mr. Guerra?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for a friendly suit hearing this morning.
Okay, very good. We're waiting on, is it Oriana? Oriana just advised the court she'll take needs a little bit more time. So we're going to bring you all back in a little while, okay?
Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we need that item.
Oh, yeah, we also need the item. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Judge, Ms. Patty Love will be logging in a bit.
I think that Miss Love should be logging in a little bit. All right, Miss Love. You need to, there you go.
Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Love. Court will continue here with the June 22nd, 2022 docket. And I believe you're here on F0473-22-4. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor. So Jorge and I had saved some time to mediate after the protective order hearing was heard. So we did submit an agreed on an order on motion to extend temporary restraining order for 30 days. So we just
Yeah.
need the,
The extension is for 30 days?
well, we're asking for 30 days on the, and I left it blank for you all to.
Okay, yeah, very good,
anything
because
after
we don't,
30 days.
okay, you're talking about July and there may be vacation and whatnot, so that's why it's good that you left it blank.
Yeah, anytime after 30 days is fine.
Okay, great,
And
ma'am,
then- And we will
thank-
mediate, and if we get it handled, we'll submit an agreed order.
exactly. If you mediate it, you settle it, everybody signs, submit it, that'll do it, okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you so much, have a great day,
Thank
you're
you.
excused.
Have a great day.
You too, bye-bye. Who's missing? Was Carlos already in? We need Oriana, right?
Good morning, Judge. This Carlos got a CF. For some reason, I can't get my camera to turn on. I'm trying, but it keeps giving me a camera failed, but I'm here.
Okay, yes, sir, good morning. We're waiting on Miss Oriana.
Yes, Your Honor.
What else we got? Anything else here? All right, court will resume with the June 22nd, 2022 docket. And let's see here, we have CL 21-41-41D, Tomas Ramirez, Ana Maria Lopez as next friends of minor versus Emily Besser and Daniel Sipovich. Let's see, we have Miss Orellana. Good morning, ma'am.
She's muted.
You need to unmute.
Good morning, Your Honor, and my apologies for being late this
okay.
morning.
Okay, no problem. Good morning. And then we have Mr. Guerra. There he is. Mr. Garcia. There he is. Good morning, folks. And I believe we have Tomas Ramirez and Ana Maria Lopez. Who's going to be testifying, folks? Is going to be just Ana Maria?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Then court takes judicial notice of the entire file, CL 21-3276D, Ricardo Lopez and wait a minute, no, I'm sorry, I got the wrong number. I'm sorry, wrong number. Court will take judicial notice of CL 21-41-41D, Tomas Ramirez and Ana Maria Lopez versus Emily Besser et al. All right, Miss Lopez, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You may put your hand down and listen carefully to the questions, okay, ma'am? Miss Oriana, you're gonna get started?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Okay, you may proceed.
Ms. Lopez, you are the mother of Ms. Harley D. Ramirez, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And sitting beside you is Mr. Tomas Ramirez, who is the father of Harley, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're here today because Harley was involved in an auto accident back in April of 2021 in Colorado, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
But both of you, along with your daughter, reside here in Hidalgo County, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And the result of that accident, Harley was injured, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And she received treatment for those injuries?
Yes,
And she's doing well, considering the injury she sustained in this auto accident?
yes,
And we're here today because we've reached an agreement with the defendant on her behalf, correct?
yes,
They've agreed to pay a total of $100,000 to settle this case on behalf of Harley, which is the total limits of the policy, correct?
yes,
Of this $100,000, you're asking the court to pay $51,750.10 to the law office of Ezequiel Reina for medical expenses, case expenses, and attorney's fees, correct?
yes,
The remaining balance of $48,249.90 is to be deposited into an interest-bearing account in the registry of the court for the use and benefit of the minor child, correct?
yes,
And you realize that once the judge approves this settlement, you will not be able to come back and try to reopen the case, correct?
yes,
And the money deposited into the registry of the court is for the use and benefit of the minor child, in this case, Harley, and you will not be able to withdraw these monies without permission of the court. You understand this, correct?
yes,
And you understand that we are here today to announce a settlement, and you're asking the judge to approve this settlement, correct?
yes,
Mr. Ramirez, you've heard these questions that I've asked of Ms. Ana, correct?
Yes,
And you are in agreement with her responses?
yes, sir.
Thank you. I have no further questions, Your Honor. I pass the witnesses.
All right, thank you, ma'am. Mr. Ramirez, you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you may put your hand down. Let's see, Mr. Guerra. You may
Yes, Your
proceed.
Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. I have a few more questions. I know Ms. Oriana covered a lot of ground, so good morning, Ms. Lopez. How are you doing today?
Good morning. How are you? Fine, thank you.
Good, I'm doing well. Thank you so much. Now, Ms. Harley, she is your daughter, is that correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
And where within Hidalgo County do y'all reside? What city?
West Laco, Texas.
Okay. And as Ms. Oriana stated, you are represented by their firm, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Have you had a chance to review the settlement agreement and the full release for my clients with your attorney?
Yes,
Okay. And I know she already went over the amounts, but that is your understanding of the total settlement amounts, the $100,000, and then the two divided up, one going to the registry of the court, the other portion going to their office, correct?
yes. Mhm.
And
Yes, sir.
And you understand that by settling this lawsuit, this amount of money is all that you will be able to receive from my clients in regard to this accident. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And you understand that you're also giving up your right to a jury trial.
yes,
And you also understand that when the minor, Ms. Harley, turns 18, she cannot bring her own lawsuit against these defendants regarding this incident. Do you understand that?
yes,
Did you have a chance to meet with the court-appointed guardian ad litem to discuss the minor's case and review the settlement agreement?
yes,
And are you satisfied with his representation of the minor's best interests?
yes,
Are you entering into the settlement agreement under your own free will?
yes,
Do you believe that this agreement is in the best interest of the minor?
yes,
And are you asking this honorable court to accept the settlement agreement and sign the judgment?
yes.
Okay. Well, Mr. Ramirez and Ms. Lopez, I thank you for your time. Unfortunately, we had to meet under these circumstances, but thank you so much for being here today. And with that being said, I'll go ahead and pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, sir. Mr. Garcia?
Your Honor, briefly, if I may, I'd like to speak with Mr. Ramirez.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Ramirez.
Good morning, sir.
Do you recall yesterday going over the settlement memorandum with someone from my office?
Yes, sir.
And do you recall this morning, you and I spoke about the settlement amounts and how they were going to be distributed?
Yes, we discussed that.
Were there any questions that either myself or my staff didn't answer for you?
No, we settled everything out after all. Everything was fine.
Okay. Are you satisfied with our services and advice up to this point?
Yes, definitely.
Do you believe that the settlement amount, the $48,249 that will go to your minor daughter is reasonable under the circumstances?
Yes, it's fine.
Are there any questions that we haven't answered?
No, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Ramirez. I have nothing further, Judge.
All right, Mr. Garcia, what do you represent to the court? You're
Your Honor, I'm respectfully asking the court to accept the agreed judgment and with the terms laid out, and we respectfully ask the court to grant it.
okay. Mr. Garza. Okay. All right, anybody else? Any other questions for anybody else, attorneys?
I have no questions, Your Honor.
Question from us, Your Honor.
All right, then court takes judicial notice of the entire file once again. And based on the recommendation of the item, court will hereby approve the minor's settlement and will go ahead and await a judgment for signature. Can you all get that ready as soon as possible?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. Has the fees, did you all discuss that already, Mr. Guerra?
I have not had an opportunity, but I will ask, I guess, Mr. Garcia, how much would you be requesting at this time?
$1,500, Your Honor.
All right, $1,500.
Thank you, Your Honor. That should not be a problem.
All right, thank you so much. Y'all may be excused. You'll have a great day. Sorry for the inconvenience, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
All right.